So one of the application of triple integration is computed volume. So to find the volume of the region bounded by the planes or curves, the integrating dV represents the volume of the region R. So that means the region is bounded by the planes. So volume equal to integrating dV, or else so it is bounded by three axes. So triple integration dx dy dz, that is nothing but we can evaluate. So these are limits of x and these are limits of y and these are limits of z, and integrating with respect to z first, y, and this is x, right? So let us see a problem. So using triple integration, find the volume common to the cylinders. These are the two cylinders. So common cylinder region. So find the volume of the region bounded by these two cylinders. So in the given region, z varies from. It is given z. So z varies from. So let us see, z is x square plus z square is equal to a square. From this, z square is equal to a square minus x square. Z is equal to plus or minus root of a square minus x square. Therefore, z varies from z is equal to minus root of a square minus x square to plus root of a square minus x square. So and y varies from similar to y, x square plus, and the cylinder is x square plus y square is equal to a square. From this, and y equal to minus root of a square minus x square to y equal to plus root of a square minus x square, right? So these are the variable limits of x and y and z, and y for z is equal to 0 and y equal to 0, x varies from, so plus or minus a, so that is minus a2, x is equal to minus a2 plus a. So now the volume, we know formula for volume equal to triple integration over the region of dx dy dz. So in this problem, x limits are constants minus a2 to a2, and z limits are y limits are minus root of a square minus x square, root of a square minus x square plus, and z limits are root of a square minus x square, root of a square minus x square, here minus, and integrating with respect to z first and y and x. So here integrating minus a to a, and the function is here constant function. So for constant function we can write 2 into integrating x is equal to 0 to a. Similarly for this also 2 into y equal to 0 to root of x square minus a square, and 2 into z is equal to 0 to root of x square minus a square dz dy dx, and the 2 into 2 is 8. 8 into integrating x is equal to 0 to 1 and y equal to 0 to root of x square minus a square minus x square, and z is equal to 0 to root of a square minus x square, right? And dz dy dx. 8 into integrating 0 to 1, y equal to 0 to root of a square minus x square. Now integrating with respect to z is z, and limits are 0 to root of a square minus x square dy dx. 8 into integrating x is equal to 0 to 1, y equal to 0 to root of a square minus x square, and use of upper limit in place of z, it is a square minus x square, lower limit is 0. Now 8 into integrating x is equal to 0 to 1. So this is function of x, and we are integrating with respect to y. While integrating with respect to y, root of a square minus x square is constant, and integrating with respect to y is y 0 to root of a square minus x square dx. 8 into integrating x is equal to 0 to 1. So this is root of a square minus x square, and substitute upper limit in place of a square minus x square, lower limit is 0. And 8 into integrating x is equal to 0 to 1. Same, both are same, it is a square minus x square dx. So 8 into, after integrating with respect to x, a square x cube by 3, limits are 0 to 1. So upper limit, substitute upper limit, a square into 1 minus 1 by 3, right? See here, all are a's here. So this is also upper limit is here. When you substitute upper limit a, this is a cube by 3. Simplify it, a cube minus a cube by 3. So take LCM, 3a cube minus a cube, 8 by 3, 2a cube. So our answer is 16 by 3 a cube. Thank you.